So let's quickly go over what we covered in this module. First, we talked about views. We talked about how everything in Android is a view as far as the UI is concerned, and how we use a view tree in order to create our views. That we have view groups and views inside that view tree, and it's basically a composite pattern where we have a root of the tree, and then the activity will draw from the root down and draw all the views that are contained in there. We also talked about layout files and how layout files are XML files that are basically a serialized description of the view tree, and that Android can then deserialize that and create an object graph that represents our view. We also looked at some of the types of layouts in Android. We didn't cover all of them. There's a couple that we didn't show there, but we looked at the main ones and we looked at how we might use those, and we looked at some of the controls that are available to us from within our Android applications to give us a good idea of what is available when we're actually trying to design a UI for an Android application. And then we actually went and built the Protein Tracker UI. We created the file, we created the controls. We worked a little bit into the layout and saw how to use things like gravity and margins in order to lay out our view and to basically nest layouts to achieve the result. We didn't cover all of the complicated properties, there's just so many of them, but it should give you a good start. I think all of these things that we've covered here should basically give you enough knowledge to create a simple Android UI and then to know where to look and what options are available if you need to go more in depth.